Meet the sharpest stone in the world. This stone is obsidian. If the lava cools too fast and this glass-like structure is created, indigenous peoples used it thousands of years ago to make knives and mirrors. Today, it is used to make jewelry and surgical scalpels. This black glass is made by nature from lava. Isn't it fascinating?
Smooth! Hey, Calix, I found the obsidian! Yeah? Si Calix ko naman hindi accepted. Ito tema ng video, ha? Yan, kaganda ng araw na yon. Ganda. Uy, ano yun? May nakita kong obsidian! Kasi may nakakita ako eh. Obsidian time. Time machine kaya ori. Smooth criminal. Dapat na romantic. Search ko kuya. Search mo nga bang magandang kanta yun ha. Bang. 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 Or kaya bang bang bang. Meron ako dito obsidian. Uy, ang ganda.
Obsidian. There's obsidian everywhere in the road here. I found this perfectly looking square Minecraft obsidian brick here. Look at this thing. I'm gonna try digging it out. Look how perfectly square it is. What is up with that? Wow, my very own obsidian block. Look at that.
49106 yata
Yeah, there's
yan.
obsidian everywhere here. It's awesome. If I had to show this, look at the striations in this obsidian. That is gorgeous. I'm out here in Glassview, Oregon.
May nakita nga ako dito eh. Obsidian, kinuha ko. Nakita ko lang sa baba. Sabi daw ni tatay ko ipinantimalog. Obsidian naman. At saka ito nakita ko din na may nahulog sa obsidian. Tingnan mo ring video. Nahulog muntik na masira. Basag na dito sa baba eh. Basag na, bye-bye.